Yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we've taken you back to 7:55 a.m. December 7th, 1941. Just imagine, you were there that fateful morning. It started off as a peaceful Sunday morning over 80 years ago in Pearl Harbor.
Wow, get
Recently anchored within the confines of the harbor, experienced the roar of engines, sounding the bombs as the Imperial Japanese Navy formation launches the first wave of 189 fighters and bombers from Japan's first air fleet led by Captain Kushida. The unprovoked surprise attack was so complete that the voted signal Tora, 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 meaning tiger, tiger, tiger.
159 damage. Just 155.
Chờ con thấy không, cái này trong là sông sân bay thiệt đó con. Chứ không phải là chỗ trưng bày đâu ra. Đây là lính thiệt luôn đó.
Reminder, we still got a lost cell phone up here with an picture. The Monster Energy DMX Escape Riders will be performing at 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. today. So if you join back. Send the word to beware. We'll be your
Lúc vô là phải xếp đồ đủ thứ hết nè. Máy quay đó.